Welcome to our Tech. Today I'm going to teach you how to program an Orion XS and an Orion Smart TR series DC to DC converter, charger, specifically to the Lynx BMS and Victron Smart Lithium batteries, using Victron's app, Victron Connect. The first thing that you're going to want to do is open up Victron Connect on your Android or iOS device. This is going to show you your devices, both local and VRM. We don't have an Orion on our test bench, and so I'm going to use the demo app to show you. Now that I'm on the main page for the Orion XS, in the top right hand corner, I'm going to select the cog that will take me to the settings page. From here, the most important thing when we're using this as a DC to DC converter in a charger application, as in from typically a starter battery to a house bank in the back, is we're going to want to make sure that the function is selected to charger. If you were using this as a power supply mode, then you would simply change this to power supply. But once again, most common application is going to be using this as a charger, and hence we'll leave it as that. If you want your charger to work, you're also going to have to make sure that your charger is enabled, and so we're going to want to leave this toggled on. Underneath this, you're going to be shown the current limits. This is specific to the Orion XS and not the Orion Smart TR series. Here you can adjust your input current and output current on the XS. Typically, I'm going to leave these charger limits at their max, which is going to be at 50 amps. If you had a sensitive alternator or an application where you wanted to dial this down, then you could do so here. Underneath the current limits, you're going to be presented with battery settings. We're going to select on that, and it's going to take you to your battery settings page. The first thing is going to be making sure that the preset is selected specifically to smart lithium batteries, because that's what we're programming today. If lithium isn't selected here already, then to change this, we're simply going to select factory default, go to select a preset, scroll all the way to the bottom, and select Smart Lithium. Once we click OK, you'll see that this changes the battery preset to Smart Lithium and automatically changes everything underneath it to that Smart Lithium profile. Now that we've selected Smart Lithium on the battery settings, I can simply go back and I can move on to engine shutdown detection. I'm going to select this, and it's going to take me to the engine shutdown detection settings page. In this case, what we're going to want to make sure is that the start voltage is 14, delayed start voltage is 13.3, delayed start voltage delay is 120 seconds, and the shutdown voltage is 13.1. This is a great place to start. What the start voltage does is immediately initiates the charging cycle. This means is that if at any point the charger sees this voltage, it's going to assume that the vehicle is running and initiate the charge cycle. The delayed start voltage means that it has to see this voltage for an extended period of time before it starts the charge cycle. This period of time is dictated by the delayed start voltage time below. So in this case, you can see 13.3 volts for 120 seconds would mean that it would start that charge cycle. The shutdown voltage below that means that if at any point it sees this voltage, it's going to stop the charging cycle. Thanks for following along today as I teach you how to program an Orion XS and Orion Smart TR series DC to DC converter chargers on Victron Connect, specific to the Lynx BMS and Victron Smart Lithium batteries. If you have any questions, please reach out to our staff, and as always, I'll link all of the applicable links in the description below.